Hi, friends. Nicole Vincent here. I am super excited to share an Amazon influencer collaboration opportunity that I am going to be doing with Data Coach Claire and Fluencer Fruit over on the Fluencer Fruit YouTube channel. We are going to be live streaming every month, twice a month on Tuesdays at 11 a.m. Central Time. And we want you to jump over there. This is free and open to anyone interested in learning more about the Amazon Influencer Program. We're going to be talking strategy. We're going to be taking live Q&A. We're going to be just having so much fun. So click down in the description below. Please make sure you are subscribed to me, to Fluencer Fruit, and to Data Coach Claire. And go on to Fluencer Fruit and you will see the upcoming live, the next live that is going to be happening. Make sure you turn on that notification and we will see you live on Tuesdays at 11 a.m. Central. If that time doesn't work for you, these videos will be available on the Fluencer Fruit channel under the live section, and you can watch the replay. So I'm super excited for this to happen. I hope you hop over there and join us, and we'll see you soon.